Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this an issue with your payment method, update your payment information. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're having the issue that you are seeing the pop-up message that you have to update your payment method, so let's see how can you easily update your payment method. So very first you have to double check your network connection that you're connected to a strongest network connection, and after that you have to open your settings and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So open settings, go for general, go for VPN and device management to make sure that your VPN is not connected, or if you have any connected VPN, try to disconnect with that. And after doing that, you have to simply tap on your Apple ID, then tap on payment and shipping, and here you will find your payment method. So first you have to remove your previous payment method from here, and once you have removed, you have to go back, then open your app store, tap on your profile in the top right corner, select your account from here, and then you just have to look for the country or region option, and from here you have to select your own country or region in which you are living. So once you have selected, you just have to select the continue option from here, and then tap on agree in the top right corner, and from here you have to add your payment method. So you can use this camera icon to scan your credit or debit card, or you can enter our details manually, and here's the billing address. You have to also enter these informations about you, then add your phone number, and after doing that all, you just have to tap the done option in the top right corner, and your payment method will be successfully updated in your iPhone or iPad or in your Apple ID. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.